So definitely, I'm very happy to be able to join you today. And the research project that I want to introduce deals with the record industry in Croatia from 1927 to the end of 1950s, encompassing the era of shellac records produced by the three local Zagreb-based companies, Edison, Bell, Penkala, Electroton, and Jugoton. The project has just started. It is fully supported by the Croatian Science Foundation, and it is the first scholarly project into the record industry in Croatia and to a large degree, actually the whole former Yugoslavia. As such, it needs to be comprehensive in terms of documenting and processing all relevant sources, the records themselves in institutional and private collections, archival material related to the functioning of the three companies and their record stores, media coverage of their production and reception, the links between record industry and other backbones of musical life, and the place of discography of that time in today's music making and listening. The project team consists of 7 of us musicologists and music archivists from 3 Zagreb institutions. We hope that our specific subdisciplinary perspectives and methodologies will help research outcomes, and at the same time that our joint work will contribute to restoring the cooperation between historical musicologists and ethnomusicologists, and also strengthen the study of popular music as an academic subdiscipline in Croatia. So let me to share the main objectives of the project. One is to create a database of all recordings made by the 3 companies. In creating the database, we consulted and relied on standards defined by IASA, including its project on national discographies. The second objective is to provide as complete as possible insight into the poetics, politics, and economics of the record industry during the period in question in the context of socio-political changes in Croatia and former Yugoslavia. A special attention will be given to fields and genres of traditional, popular, and art music, to different dimensions of record filters, as we call them, then to the links between record industry and radio, concert and festival programs, sheet music publishing, and copyright protection, as well as to relationship between record production, reception, and social identities. Then the third objective is to explore selected aspects of the record industry in detail in the form of various case studies, which will address various technological, aesthetic, and social issues. And concluding general objective is to contribute to the public awareness on commercial recordings as an important part of cultural heritage. Namely, one has to bear in mind that the level of their preservation is rather poor in Croatia. There are no significant institutional efforts. The main owners, curators, and promoters are individual collectors. Actually, only a few such individuals who are in their late age. Also, one has opportunity to listen to early recordings at all, primarily thanks to their digitization of selected recordings from their collections, which they made available on online platforms. While this project has no means, unfortunately, in contrast to the Czech project, as we just heard, so we have no means to resolve this huge issue, we aim to open the path towards systematic, institutionally based solution. So to conclude, let me to say that I would very much appreciate your comments and advices, especially as you are all well versed in various challenges of early recordings while we are only beginners in the field. And let me also to add that the record companies in the Czech Republic and the UK were of special importance in Croatia. The first company, Edison Bell Penkala, was established through collaboration between the British Edison Bell and the local company, while Czech companies served as model suppliers of material and knowledge, or sometimes as older sister companies. A project collaborator, Željka Radovinovic, will next year visit Prague in order to learn more about these Croatian-Czech connections. And I hope that the previous speaker, Mr. Philip Scheer, will be willing to accept to serve as her mentor and guide through archival funds in Prague. So thank you.